Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out top 5 best cheap air fryers for oven you can buy right now. I made this list based on my personal opinions and our research, and I've listed them based on quality, features, and I've included options for every type of consumer. So whether you're looking for best air fryer, have the products for you. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure in the description below. Also, make sure you subscribe to stay up to date with the latest technology reviews video. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Kewer Home Electric Air Fryer. Brand name, Kewer. Light oil-free air fryer. 3 kilograms whole chicken out 50 g fat. 8 cuisine features. Touch display. 3 minutes preheating. 1400 watt power. 360 degree circulation hot air. 4.5 liter capacity. Seafood easy to cook without more fresh fried seafood. This product regular price $163 but now offer price $96. Costway Use Safety Air Fryer. Brand name, Costway. This newest air fryer provides a new and healthy alternative to traditional deep frying. Great tasting fried food with up to 85% less fat will let you fall in love with cooking. Just simple rotate smart timer and temperature buttons, it can help you cook all over what you want. Equipped with an advanced cooking element, the air fryer combines heat with a powerful fan convection system to circulate hot air around the food, creating fast, crispy results. With no preheat needed, you can save time and start cooking right away. Non-stick coating on the crisper tray and crisper basket makes cleaning easy and release your hands. Easy to operate control panel. This product price $91. Oloey Household Air Fryer Oven. Brand name, Oloey. 1400W Spiral Technology Heating Tube. Smart Micro Touch LCD Panel. 3 liter gold capacity, evenly heated. Multi-purpose in one pot. Snap safety cover. PPS integrated filter. Retractable power cord. High-end smart large touchscreen design. This product regular price $413 but now offer price $293. Proscenic 5.5 liter capacity oilless cooker. Brand name, Proscenic. Wi-Fi connectivity. With the Proscenic Home app, Alexa, or Google Assistant voice commands, you can control your air fryer, schedule the cooking, adjust and monitor the cooking process, and customize your own recipes, which is very easy and convenient to operate. Combination functions. Engineered with 3 combination functions: schedule plus menu plus keep warm. You can choose any 1, or 2, or 3 of them. It all depends on your need. This is the unique function Proscenic air fryer has, which other brand fryers doesn't have yet. Non-stick and dishwasher safe basket. The detachable basket is made of aluminum with 2 layers of Teflon coatings. This makes the basket non-stick and very easy to clean. The detachable parts are dishwasher safe. Cooking fast. The air fryer adopts new technology, rapid hot air technology, to cook. The heat is transferred with very high intensity and distributed over the food from all sides and can penetrate through a thick pile of food particles. Easy to cook and multifunctional. It is easy to make selections both on machine through LED one touchscreen and through app. The fryer was featured with 8 preset menus. You can almost make all the food with it. This product regular price $199 but now offer price $119. Biolomix 12 liter air fryer oven. Brand name, Biolomix. All-in-one machine. The ultimate meal-making machine is not only an air fryer, but also a rotisserie, dehydrator, pizza grill, and oven toaster. It can complete various delicious food, such as roasted chicken wings, chips, pizza, steak and so on, a necessary tool in the kitchen, which can almost meet all requirements for people. Family-sized and space saver. 12-liter of cooking space makes this AirFryer one of the largest on the market, while still being compact enough to fit easily on your countertop. 3 right levels allow you to prepare family-sized quantities, or control how fast and how crispy your food cooks. Built-in rotisserie, prepare whole roasts, tenderloins, racks of kebabs, and even a whole chicken. Get crispy, tender meats, perfectly blackened fish, and expertly roasted vegetables with the Biolomix air fryer oven's built-in rotisserie. It's fast, easy, and you'll love it. Includes multiple accessories, comes with standard 5 accessories and optional 2 more accessories, everything you'll need to make a homemade meal with ease. Easy to use, easy to read, simple to use control display with 16 presets takes the guesswork out of cooking times and temperatures. Cook for convenience or to impress without ever having to turn on the range. And when you're done, the stainless steel interior and removable, non-stick drip pan makes for easy cleanup. This product regular price $269 to $594 but now offer price $126 to $279.